감사합니다.
ItsKatStyle. 안녕하세요 여러분. 저는 FunPik PD Katrina입니다. First of all, of course, let me greet you guys a very happy New Year. 새해 복 많이 받으세요. 새해 복 많이 받으세요, 여러분. But before that, sorry for my husky voice along the video. I caught something before leaving 2021. But of course, as we welcome the year 2022, we can't help but think of New Year's resolutions. And this includes our language goals. And what better way to start our year than to learn Korean again and again? This video is divided into 3 different parts where I can share with you 1. A mini calendar unboxing in time to welcome the year 2022 from Korean Cultural Center of the Philippines, as I am a crew member. 2. How to study Korean through the FunPik application. Maybe you guys have seen my previous video, but in this video, I'll be featuring the new updates in the FunPik application. 3rd is freestyle studying and a glimpse on how my first day in 𝗙𝗂𝘅𝙀 Institute Korean Conversation class went through. Maybe this is what I promised as Katrina's study record as well. Without further ado, let's go! Encouraging you to make your own New Year's resolution and establishing your language goals. And while doing it, I'm gonna share with you this package that I received from Korean Cultural Center of the Philippines. It was a Christmas gift, but I decided to open it in time for New Year since I know it has a calendar inside of it. And yes, I'm really excited to see what other things I can see from this package. And of course, thank you so much to Korean Cultural Center of the Philippines for Korean cultural information, facts. All you gotta do is visit their pages and website and tune in for more exciting news and events from KCC. Let's unbox this. 안녕하세요 여러분. I'm currently just navigating through the FunPik app and I'm seeing all the new features that it currently has for all of us users. I think I've read a few comments before that FunPik app is written in full Korean, but right now guys, as you can see, it already have English translation of the tabs. You can already see where the coupon is, the ranking, etc. And this is the hard work of our FunPik ambassadors and managers, and I think their languages is also in the works, like Russian and Vietnam. I'm not sure. Please confirm it, guys. Since I've been on the app for a few months now, I already took the level test or the diagnostic test, which you will encounter once you sign up for the FunPik application, which you can check on this video. In any case, I've also been seeing posts from FunPik page that this app actually contains 10 textbooks, contents from 10 textbooks, and every month, one new textbook content is being added. So that's really amazing and very useful for us to be updated with current questions. And now let's try answering some everyday questions. 아이고, 우리 동네는 That's right. They say to be next to have easier method of answering this test. It's important to read the answers first. So let's try that and deduce. Oh my god, it's been a while since I took a everyday mission, so 𝗙𝗊𝙍𝗀𝗃 𝗂𝗂𝗃. I only got a D score, guys. Oh my god. This is really a weakness. But what's good about this app is that I can press O and X for answer explanations. Let's see where I got it from. At least I finished one today.
이런보다 상태를 말하는 형식. 괜찮다, 좋아. 이런보다 상태를 하는 다르고 없으니까 나중에 하고요. 자, 언제 아지다 붙이고 언제 어지다 붙이고 이건 다 아시죠?
그러면 같이 농구하러 갈래요?
네? 지금 밖에 소나기가 와요.
정말요?
자, 그러면 요거를 한번 보도록 할게요. 한번 그림을 이제 1, 2, 3, 4번을 쭉 보세요. 자, 잘 듣고 대화를 완성하세요 되어 있는데 일단 듣기 전에 여러분이 먼저 한번 생각해 볼게요. 자, 이번엔 셋이
네. 청소했어요? 네, 방이 정말 깨끗해졌어요.
다음 주에 만나요. 안녕히 가세요.
감사합니다.
감사합니다, 선생님.
수고하셨습니다.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope to see you on my next one, and I am wishing and praying you guys a very, very prosperous year. I wish that you may reach your language goals, your travel goals, your money goals, your life goals this year 2022 with my 𝗵𝗵𝗴 jacket. Once again, I greet you guys properly. 새해 복 많이 받으세요. And in my language, 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗀. Now to bring more luck to you guys, don't forget to press the like and subscribe button in FunPik and in my channel, 안녕, it's 𝘿𝐻𝑆tyle. I hope to see you on my next video. 안녕!